Hello! Today I'm gonna share with you what I got in this bin. Those are my hair products, or I should say my empties from the last 7 months. So if you're curious what I think about the items and if I will repurchase them or not, then keep on watching. I'm gonna start with hairspray. This is Marc Anthony Nourishing Argan Oil of Morocco Extra Hold Hairspray, fast drying. I do like it. My favorite hairspray, it's one from OC. However, this one is nice as well because of the argan oil. After you spray it in your hair, you can still run your fingers through them. I do like it. This is, I believe, my second bottle, and for sure I'm gonna repurchase. Even though it's a hairspray, it doesn't even feel that way because your hair, even though they're looking natural, they still gonna have that nice hold. Then what else we have here? Oh, here we go. From L'Oreal, we have their 8-second Wonder Water. What is it? This is like a hair straightener, but in a bottle. You're gonna wash your hair, apply this, leave it for 8 seconds, and then it's up to you if you wanna follow up with conditioner or not. But what it does, it smooth and soften the hairs. Instantly detangles shinier, healthy looking, silkier, soft and touch, smooth, manageable hair. Yes, I do like it. On the back they show you how much you're supposed to use it, but obviously if you have a longer hair you're gonna use it more. I do like this item. Went through a few bottles and recently I repurchased as well. Next I have shampoo and conditioner from SUAVE. That's their Keratin line. Smoothing shampoo for frizzy and manageable hair. I do like it because it smooths the hair, and even if they frizzy after using these items, no, they're not gonna be that way. SUAVE, it's a very affordable brand. It's one of the, let's call it, cheap drugstore companies, but this line, it's wonderful. I do enjoy it, and as you saw it, I went through more than one item. Besides being affordable, it does the job, it smooths the hair, it makes them look nice. And yes, I do might repurchase those items in the future. But now, talking about nice items, on the other side I have something from Shampoo. That's their Manuka honey yogurt hydrate repair conditioner with Marufa and baobab oil. It's supposed to hydrate and restore for extremely dry and brittle hair. Unfortunately, those two, okay, it's a shampoo and conditioner. Unfortunately, this is a big disappointment. They didn't work for me, and now I will not repurchase them. Then moving on to the same brand but different products, I have their Manuka honey Marufa oil intense hydration fig extract baobab hydrate replenish dry damaged hair. Those products, I did enjoy it. I did enjoy the products. They make my hair look way better, and also you could already feel it the moment when you use the shampoo or conditioner. Well, with this there was no results. One more item from SHEA, that's the Detangler with slippery elm and marshmallow extract, anti-frizz moisture, shine, thick, wavy and woolly hair. I use this as a detangler, and yes, it smells nice, and when you use it, it does the job, and you will have no issues with any kind of a hairstyle. I went through a few bottles of it, and I already have another backup waiting on me. I have 2 more detanglers. First, it's from L'Oreal. That's their Sweet Pear Tango Tamer for wet dry hair. It's supposed to be for kids, but guess what? It worked on my hair as well. And yes, it did smell pleasantly, and I enjoy it. And then from Carol's Daughter, Black Vanilla Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner for dull, dry, brittle hair. It smells like heavy vanilla, but even though it's a vanilla scent, it was manageable. It comes in a big bottle because it's 8 ounces. Did I use it up? Yes. It did the job, but no, I'm not gonna repurchase because I rather go with one or the other. Then I have few hair masks. First, it's from Garnier. That's their damage repairing 1-minute mask with papaya extract, and I have the small one and a big one. And yes, as you see for yourself, I do like it because I have two. Garnier, they have few 1-minute masks, but I decided to go with the papaya because I can see the biggest results. I like it, it did the job, it smooths the hair, and for sure I'm gonna buy it again. Sticking with the mask, I have a mask from SUAVE. That's their Deep Moisture Hair Mask. Coconut milk infusion, deep conditioning treatment. I remember it smelled, yeah, it has nice and a light gentle coconut smell. I did like it because it's SUAVE, it's really affordable. So yes, you can easily buy it in a drugstore. I don't know if they make it, but if they do, for sure I'm gonna repurchase. Then all the better goodie, it's OC 3-minute mask. I went through so many of those. You cannot really go wrong with 3-minute Miracle Moist deep conditioner. This thing, it's wonderful. If you're looking for something which works and also it's on a budget, you cannot really go wrong with it. This is one of those products which you cannot go wrong with, and it is worth recommending. If you do like effects of the Miracle Water, Etude House has something similar, but like this one, it's liquidy. This one comes in a tube and it has a consistency of a paste, so you have to squeeze it, put on your hair, and then wait 10 minutes. So this is 10 minutes, this is 8 seconds. So depending which route you want to go, but the effect is going to be exactly the same. This is their Avocado Hair Pack, Repair My Hair, formulated with avocado oil. Protein-rich avocado gently provides intense care to stiff and tangled hair. I did enjoy the product. If I will repurchase, maybe, but because it's Etude House, you have to order online. It's not widely available as this one. So for right now, I'm gonna stick with the L'Oreal, but I see myself repurchasing the avocado in the future. I have a couple items from Pantene. That's their Gold Series Sulfate-Free Shampoo, infused with argan oil. Shampoo to gently cleanse, instantly soften hair for dry, damaged hair. It says dry and damage. As a shampoo, it cleans your skin and prepare for the next step. It was okay. And then I have their conditioner, Moisture Bomb Conditioner, infused with argan oil, natural, transitioning and relaxed hair. It was okay. I wasn't really impressed. In reality, I got better results from the SUAVE products than from the Pantene. But one item from Pantene which is good are their shades. Intense Rescue Shade. Treatment targets extreme damage, helps prevent split ends. This is like a hidden gem in the drugstore. It's not gonna be the same, but if you like this, you're gonna enjoy this one as well. It comes in a pack of 3, and I know it's really affordable. And then the last item, it's a purple shampoo from L'Oreal. This one neutralizes brassy yellow orange tones and has extract with hibiscus. It did smells nice. I'm not sure about the brassiness. Avoiding the brassiness, I did like this product as a shampoo. It make my hair clean and smooth them out. And yes, it did smell nicely. I see myself repurchasing this item in the future. Those were all my hair items. Hopefully this video was helpful and I see you next time. Bye!